So this little connector right there, a little blue connector on the end, is plugged in right behind here.
Inside this.
Yep, right inside. So pan around here. There you go. So you just pop those little rivets out and you get access to that.
And then take the 2 Phillips screws out of here and then just push it down.
And push it to the left when you pull it out.
Yep.
Sweet. All right, let's get the new one in. Pretty nice.
I hate styrofoam.
Nate, you should get mud flaps.
No.
What are you doing? It's a Velcro or something? That was cool.
Yeah, it's just a plug and play kit. So that'll plug into the old connector. New grommet. Should be good to go.
All right, slap her in.
The plug just doesn't fit through.
That'd be a good start. I'll give it backwards. So it just sets in there and slides to the right. Yeah, those look real nice. So it's just those 2 bolts right there holding it in?
Yep, and 2 screws over here.
And then clip it in and put the liner back up and stick the plugs back in, and that's it, huh?
That should do it.
Wow.
It's just crazy that you got to take the back seats out for this.
Yeah, we gotta take the front bumper off too.
Front bumper has to come off in the back seats for the rear
You gotta swap the
taillights.
driver and the passenger headlights.
Oh,
You have to flip around the drive shaft too.
that's too much work. And stock. Ugly cherry red. So these are Australian spec lights. They're not actually like aftermarket per se.
Yeah, so if you buy one of these, they hold Monaro, you get that clear style taillight. The American spec ones have the all red.
Wow, I like them a lot more.
Yeah, I've been looking for these for a while. It looks